Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm going to make this really quick. I really do appreciate everyone sharing my videos, liking that video, and going ahead and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Keep it up. So in today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7. I've heard a lot of really good reviews about this, so I'm feeling really good about this purchase. And I hope you enjoy this as well. So here we have the GoPro Hero 7 Black. There are different versions of the GoPro. There are several different versions for the GoPro. There are the Hero versions, and there's a black. Then there is the white and gray. They do have different features, which I'll leave the links down in the description below. But let's just go ahead and get to why you're watching this video, which is unboxing this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is pull this blue tab. After you pull that blue tab, it's going to open like this, and this allows you to get to the contents of the box. It's very important that you go through these steps because you will damage the internals if you don't do it this way. After that, you slowly pull this out, which will take the entire camera out, which leaves the box empty. After that, we are left with the GoPro Hero 7 by itself. There's this little lever right up here that you need to lift upwards, and it's a rubberized silicone, so pulling it upwards won't break it. Then you need to pull these two little tabs inward and push out. Ow, and don't pinch yourself. It is rather heavy, but we'll get back to the actual product in just a second here. So after that, there's a little tab right here that you need to open, and in fact it tells you how to pull the GoPro out, which is what I just showed you. So you need to pull this up to get to the internals with these flaps, and it leaves you with the components, which you get your small battery. You get two mounts that have a very strong adhesive too. You can hook the one is curved, one is flat, and you're able to hook that on whatever you'd like. USB-C charging cable. You've got a warranty card, which tells you about the different warranties and how to charge the GoPro stickers, which I will of course be using, and a user manual. So that's pretty much everything for this unboxing. I'll be doing a full review of this camera. Now I finally have something else I can shoot video with. Stay tuned for more content. All right, thanks. Catch you in the next one. I don't want to say peace. I don't know why. So I guess my catchphrase will be like this video, subscribe for more content and more awesome stuff. All right, thanks.